Hi everybody, this is Tauntian Company for another apartment visit. I'm gonna start this visit by showing you the living room. We're presenting like this, so we have some television, little table, relaxing place with a big sofa. Just very close to it there is a balcony, very little, but we get a great view. Downstairs there is some restaurant, some bar, some pub. You can enjoy the Vietnamese food and drink some chata or other special Vietnamese things. Alright, so let's continue by the kitchen with a big table, big fridge also, and then the kitchen is providing with many furnitures, as you can see. There is a washing machine, just on my right the bathroom, just only one. This is a corridor, the entrance door, and now we arrived in the room. As you can see, some commodities to put your clothes and a big bag to places. There is also in this apartment air conditioning, ventilation, Wi-Fi connection, and you can ask Tauntian Company to provide you whatever you want. So thank you very much.